Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Winnie's Happy Home. This is a YouTube channel where I share amazing tips on homemaking, cooking, organizing and lifestyle in general. And today, we are just from church and it's so hot and we thought why not make something yummy yet cooling for the kids and for the family. So we are making some Oreo milkshake. Oreo milkshake. So guys, karibuni sana. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that we can continue growing together. And a high five to 449 subscribers. We are moving on well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Share with your fellow colleagues and friends and family so that we can continue bringing simple, quick, yet amazing recipe. So we go to our ingredients for the Oreo milkshake. First, they are called Oreo milkshake because you are going to use Oreo. We are going to use two, let me see, 2 or 1. We thought something simple for the kids, so we bought the Oreo. Then we have vanilla ice cream. We'll have vanilla yogurt. I am using this probiotic yogurt. We will have milk, and lastly, don't judge me, my fridge is small, so I removed the ice maker. So I have made these ice cubes. So basically, we are going to use the Oreo, vanilla ice cream, yogurt, milk, and ice cubes. So we go to the mixing. I'm hoping you can see me. Let me check. So this is so let's put the yogurt first, and it's hot, so I know the kids will enjoy these milkshakes so well. So we'll put our yogurt. So you can use any yogurt. It's just this is what I had in the house. So this is how many? These are 450 grams of yogurt. Then after yogurt, we put our Oreo. So those are 6. Let me see if I need to add this one. Then next we go to our ice cream. Next we are going to our ice cream. Let me first put that one, and then we are going to put our ice cubes. If that's enough first, let me take somewhere to put. And then we add our milk. You're not going to add all of it. We add our milk. This is where I wish I had a big. This is where you wish I had a big mini blender. So basically that. Then we. So I want to check the consistency. So basically I need to add, you get to go to check the consistency. I'm going to add more ice cream so for it to be thicker. Wow. You can just say wow, wow, wow. So guys, and just like that, our Oreo milkshake is ready. I want to taste and see how it is tasting. So our Oreo milkshake is, wow, see, our Oreo milkshake is amazing. Wow. Guys, it's tasting amazing. Kwanza the ice cubes, we have made it to be so cold. So guys, just like that, you have made something amazing for everyone to cool down. So kindly go and try this recipe and come with the feedback. Just a simple milkshake, Oreo milkshake. You need just the Oreo, the ice cream, the milk, and the yogurt. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you have found this recipe helpful. Hoping you are going to try and bring more feedback. And you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. So let me put this milkshake and share with the family. So I'm going to put for everyone. You can see it's looking amazing, amazing. You can see, amazing, amazing, amazing. If you want it to be extremely more thicker than this one, you can add more Oreo. But for me, I didn't want it to be thicker than this one because I want it for just people to drink here at home. So thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.